Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the FPS drop test in the bootcamp in the Oneplus 11R device with the 90 FPS. So this is a Oneplus 11R which has got the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and right now I'm going to do the drop test in this bootcamp, and you should be able to see the 90 FPS which is working at this moment. And right now we're getting about 86 FPS and 88. So let's do the multiple times recording the bootcamp drop test, and then we'll try to see how is the overall FPS drop is going on. It dropped up to 83 FPS, 80 FPS. So 80 is the lowest value we did see in this OnePlus 11R. 80 FPS. And I'm trying to do the test for second time, and this is a test which I'm trying to do using with the high performance mode and using with the pro gamer mode as well. So right now, as you can see friends, high performance mode is turned on while doing this test, just to give the clarification, because a lot of users, they asked me to use the high performance mode while doing this FPS drop test. So that's the reason I'm trying to upload the videos using with the high performance mode in most of the time, just to get a clear idea. But we have seen the lowest of 80 FPS drop in this OnePlus 11R while doing in the bootcamp drop test. And again be back, so let's wait for the next round. So right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to do the drop test for second time again in the bootcamp, and now let's do the drop test. And using with the high performance mode as well. So right now we are seeing the value about close to 88, 89, 86, 87, so 85. So this time we did see about 85 is the lowest value regarding the overall FPS drop test in this OnePlus 11R device. And lowest value is 85. And let's do the one more time, and this complete test is done using with the high performance mode only. And let's do the one more time drop test. So this is the third time I'm trying to do the drop test in this bootcamp. So here's a quick look at the bootcamp drop test in this OnePlus 11R. And the lowest value this time, we are seeing about 86 FPS. 86 is the lowest, 83, 79. So 79, that's the lowest value we have seen in this OnePlus 11R so far. So that's it friends, thank you for watching, and this is a quick FPS drop test in the bootcamp and with using high performance mode as well. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on this OnePlus 11R device. All the links will be available in the description below. Until then, signing off and bye.